The search and rescue boat is towing a little ship.
In the first week on Kairos, we enjoyed the south coast of Norway, and after that we crossed about 100 miles to the coast of Sweden.
Imagine if we were very quiet. That would be so boring.
We started very early in the morning because we wanted to arrive in daylight. Due to the good wind, that was absolutely not a problem. We had more than enough time. Then we arrived in Bocaness, the resort where Tina is working at the moment. It was so good to see her again after so many years. So we ate in the restaurant and had a good time together. The resort where she works is absolutely beautiful, but unfortunately the next morning we had to leave again. We wanted to be in Nynäshamn in time for the technical stop.
The route of today is going a little bit in the inner archipelago as well as mixed with the outer archipelago, heading south. Today we're going to find ourselves south of Gothenburg, I hope.
Tina?
Tina was lovely to meet. It was a beautiful place, really nice.
If you stay behind the two motorboats, there's plenty of space. Bad, huh? That could be different material. Not a lot of wind, not a big sail, 5 knots, but still going wind speed, so not too bad. So around the corner here.
Our first stop going south is Donso, a small town. We found a place just outside of the marina.
start where we took off yesterday, going further south. Blue skies. Plenty of sails to choose from. There's going to be more wind gradually during the day, up until 30 knots in the gust. Morning, honey bunny.
Morning, darling. Actually, there's not a lot of catamarans in this part of the world. If you compare that to the Caribbean or when we were doing the tour around the world, it's a big difference.
You don't wanna be rich like everybody else does. You just wanna grow old, sit still while everybody else runs. In the meantime, tell me your star sign.
Maybe if you're blonder, then people will watch the video with you on the thumbnail.
I'm doing this for you.
Yeah, I know. Wind is changing a lot now.
Nothing else to do here but kiss under the stars. I like you just the way you are.
Was there?
There's nothing else to do here but fall into your arms. I like you.
I think with strong winds it will be not so nice to go here.
You're not like the other.
They told us to moor somewhere close to the two ferries over there.
You just wanna
The entrance of Torekov is very small and it's very shallow in front of the entrance. I think with strong winds from the north there might be breaking waves.
You wanna have some fun. Oh, you say you have to fall apart to really be someone. There's nothing else to do here but kiss under the stars. I like you just the way you are. There's nothing else to do here but fall into your arms. I like you just the way you are.
Can you unlock the main sheet on that side?
I did. One weave in the main. Preventer on again.
Actually, this is the perfect preventer. We sailed around the world like this.
Again. Butterfly. Later on the wind will come more from the land.
Just the way you are. Just the way you are.
Yeah. Out around.
There's nothing else.
So we are opening up a bit as we're going get downwind. And we still have it as far out as possible. So it's as far out as possible. It's like a reel, but still we open up the sail a bit, that is rounder.
Fall into your arms. I like it just the way.
Well, let's say another level of comfort. It's also so much more boring, as there are always small things in sailing that'll keep you busy. We're going butterfly, so we don't have a lot of room to maneuver, and we want to keep the advantage to the mainsail. The mainsail is on starboard now. With the Genoa 10 degrees would even be possible. Our thinking at least is that with the wind from the back it will hit the land over there and then turn a little bit further east. Will help us go around the corner. We started with one reef in the main this morning. The apparent wind was around 11, 12 knots. And the book says we have to put one reef in, at least from 24 knots apparently. So there's some margin. It's quite a lot of margin. On the other hand, we saw a monohull coming our way as well. It was heeling a lot. Close to the quarter, as it often is. There might be a lot more wind. 20 knots true now. It does make sense to look at other boats, as it will give you an impression whether the wind's going to be stronger or not, in the direction of the wind.
Also, we were anticipating on the change in course that we were going to do. The second part of the trip would be reaching to upwind.
So the one reef is not a bad idea after all. The main problem is the same as I had in Indonesia. What? We're going faster than either.
Yeah.
He goes 9 knots.
I think to Pablo, keep your course now. I release the main if necessary.
So Marijke is at the sheet and she can release if the wind goes too far up.
Between Denmark and the coast of Sweden, there's a lot of traffic and also ferries that go back and forth. But they actually mostly aim at your back.
Changing now. He is changing now. He's changing. Yeah. He's changing course.
There's the next one coming straight at us. Just to be sure, for that shower over there. He's only looking at his sail. And now he's taking a glance. Well, I probably saw us. Shower over the nuclear plant. There's Malmo, 1.5 hours to go. And then the famous bridge, the bridge, is over there. We're gonna go underneath tomorrow, so.
It's only 15 meters in the entrance.
So you have at least 2.5, 3 meters on this side.
My best friend, some joker got lucky, stole her back again. He better come on in my kitchen. It's hard to be ready.
The entrance of Malmo is pretty narrow.
Yeah, it could be bouncing.
Oh yeah, it's going like crazy. Luckily, the harbour master reserved a place for us and we could go completely in a very protected spot. And then Mark found absolutely the best restaurant.
Look at that one.
Thank you very much. The next morning, we only have to do 16 miles. We're going to pass the bridge and then we go to the canal in the south of Sweden, where we have to pass one bridge early tomorrow morning.
Healthy smoothie? It looks really yummy. She makes you eat it as well?
Mark is in a little bit of stress because we are now going under the bridge and his SD card was full. I have to say it's a very impressive bridge.
It's wind on the other side of the bridge. Travel all the way out. So we had 29 knots apparent, which is a little bit much.
It's a nice configuration to have a staysail and a Genoa, because in weather like this, we switched a lot between the two sails.
Boat to go through the canal. Last with the most handsome skipper.
Pablo, do you hear that?
That's a bit sad though. You would have thought that the boat called Anna should be
More beautiful.
an oyster or a swan.
Yeah. I understand, when you go slow you drift. Yeah, he was waiting for you. Besitos, Pablo. Besitos.
I live my life through my binoculars.
So we started in the morning our 300 miles to Nynäshamn.
So, to sail or not to sail? It's not a problem to point as high as the monohulls. In terms of EMG, this is faster. Yeah, it did go quite okay on 32, I guess, even.
Very optimistically we started sailing, but very soon the wind dropped completely and we had the motor. In order to be in time for the technical stop, we decided to go day and night. And I think that's a good decision, because if you have to motor all the time, then it's better that you also sleep for a while.
This is the bridge at tide over there. Should be okay. At least the socks are almost ready. Three knots of wind.
Pablo is very productive and he produces all kinds of lines.
We have 66 miles to go. 3 a.m. It's getting already kind of lightish. So it's third day of the last leg we made. Still no wind. So we're almost there. We see more and more boats close to Nynäshamn. About an hour to go.
We are arriving into Nynäshamn to meet up with the other rally participants.
Oh, the other boats are here.
All the other buses have already arrived. We've
For?
been chasing them for
3 months.
2 months, pretty much. Absolutely.
You can see Outremer from far. Trying to find us a spot. Here on this side are all rocks.
Pablo and Anna are going to continue. They are going to visit some places in the area, and from there they are going to return back in the direction of the Netherlands. So we hope to be able to park the Outremer in front of our house in Muiden. And next week we are going to get our rifle back, and then we are going to sail on my beautiful old rifle.
Well, first we have a call this afternoon
Yeah,
about our new boat.
yeah, that's true.
I bet January
27, yeah,
January 27.
will be fine. Because it will be the number one, so there will always be some work and some improvements on that one. So.
Number 1.